Okay, so here is your assignment. It's assignment 49 and 50. So actually I've made them into two assignments in the end. So the first one is exercise C, page 69. Complete the exercise and submit it. Submit a photograph. Make sure you include the background as well. If there is no background and just the photograph of the page, that means I will give it 0%. So all that means is that you'll have to resubmit it again. So if you do see 0, please don't be stressed. It's just I want you to submit the photo again. I have to make sure that everyone is making an effort to complete these. And I know you can share answers among yourselves, but in the end it will show in your speaking and writing if you haven't learned how to use any, some, a lot of. These are common expressions with weather and environment, and so you only will lose yourself if you're sharing all the answers with each other, because it's not for me, this is all to help you next week in pass your final exam and pass the course. So the next point is assignment 50, which is the little weather journal. So I've put two spelling lists. I've got the count and uncount nouns, and also another, not a spelling list, it's a vocabulary list. And you can add some of these words if you like, just to make it more exciting. It doesn't have to be the real weather. It's up to you, whatever you think. If you want, you can check in on the temperatures. I've put 24 degrees Celsius, Celsius. Not Celsius, but I was thinking of seeing with your eyes. Okay, so these are the times that you take note, and you try and get practice of different things. Okay, thanks then.